guys, my name is Jade and today I'm joined here with Bruno and we're going to be talking about how to choose a dash cam.
So when looking for a dash cam, one of the most important factors is the price. That's why here at Thinkware we offer a wide variety of models ranging in price and features. We start today with our F70 model, which is our most basic and entry-level model. Jade, tell me a little bit more about our entry-level model.
Yeah, so the F70 is our cheapest dash cam model on the market. It is full HD in front only, so there's no option for a rear camera for this one. If you add the GPS antenna as well, you can have the red light and speed camera warnings while driving also.
This one also offers the parking mode option.
Yes, yeah. So like all of our Thinkware dash cams, the F70 also has motion and impact detection when parked.
And next we have our F200 Pro model, which is the updated version of our very popular F200 model. How does this one compare to our old F200 that we know a lot of people really liked it?
Yeah, so like the F200, this is more of just an updated version. The biggest difference is the video resolution. So the F200 Pro has front and rear at full HD and also has the built-in Wi-Fi so you can view all of your footage and change settings on the go.
Everything through your phone?
Exactly. Yeah. So unlike the F70, it does have the option of a rear and as well as that built-in Wi-Fi.
All right, that's great. And we have here our X1000 model, which is our new model with an LCD screen and touchscreen. Besides the parking mode and all those basic features that we know it has, what else this one can add to your car?
So going up the line in price, next we have is the X1000. The X1000 is upgraded resolution, so 2K in the front and 2K in the rear, so a bit better resolution than the F200 Pro and the F70. In addition to the touchscreen, so you can do all the functions, view all the videos on there, it also has our newest version of Super Night Vision. So with the Super Night Vision software, details in dark areas and low light recording is hard to capture, but with the X1000, you'll still be able to capture all those small details, even in the darkest situations.
All right, going up the price now, we have our Q800 Pro model, which is our cloud-enabled model. So Jade, what can you tell me about the cloud features and what extra features does the Q800 Pro have?
So like the X1000, the Q800 Pro is a 2K dash cam. The rear is 1080p, however. But with our Q800 Pro, you can connect with either Wi-Fi or hotspot. So this allows the dash cam to connect to our cloud and you can review the location, live view, and some of the footage remotely as well.
Okay, so let's say if my brother is driving my car, I'm able to check where he is and see a live view?
Exactly, so you'll be able to see the live view of the camera, location. If there were to be any accident, that would also be notified to your phone as well.
Oh, that's really cool. Finally, we get to our last model, our U1000, which is our flagship model. It is definitely one of the most popular models out there. What makes this dashcam so special? And compared to all other discs, what features does it have?
Yeah, so the U1000 is a 4K dashcam in the front and 2K in the rear. It is the highest resolution that we currently offer. Other than the resolution, the U1000 is mostly known for its cloud features. So like the Q800 Pro, you can track the vehicle, geofencing, have the remote live view, as well if any impacts occur, that'll notify and upload to your phone. With the Q800 Pro, that is done in continuous mode. With the U1000, it can also do it while parked.
So let's say if you're at the grocery store and someone hits your car in the parking lot, you'll know right away.
Exactly, it'll instantly upload the video to your phone and notify you so you can review that right away. Other than that, the U1000 does have energy saving mode 2.0 and allows the dashcam to stay recording for up to 20 days before powering down.
So if I were to leave my car at the airport, for example, and go away for 2 weeks, the dashcam should be recording for those 2 weeks while my car is parked.
Exactly. So upon your return, the dashcam should still be recording and you should still have about another 6 to 10 days before it will power off. So we've just talked about our current dashcam lineup and how to choose a dashcam for your particular setup.
If you still have any more questions, please give us a call at 1-844-865-9273, or you can also send us an email to support@thinkware.com and we'll be happy to help you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.